Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can finish a painting in Heartopia. So finishing a painting in Heartopia is one of the most rewarding ways to decorate your home, or you can also earn some extra income. So in here, I'm going to show you how. So I got a request where I need to okay, this one, the brushstroke whimsy quest. So I need to place a drawing board on my home and start and also complete a painting. So in here you can just open your backpack and find the drawing board, click on hold, and now you can just place the drawing board in your home. So I'm going to just place it in here, and after that you can start the painting. You can go near the drawing board and click on this brush icon to start creating your painting. So in here you can choose different types of blank canvases like this, new coloring, and also you can modify the drawing. So I'm going to just go with the portrait one in here, and let's say I'm going to I think I'm going to just go with this one, and let's use the kitty doodle. Click on start painting, and now you can just this is the canvas area. You can just there's this toolbar in here. You can choose any painting tool for the drawing, and also the preview area, and this is the color palette. So let's try to choose the color, and you can also choose the kind of brush and also the thickness in here. So you can just brush it off like this. If you want to remove or erase, you can just do it like this. You can also undo the changes by clicking on this arrow. So just brush it off like this until you finish all the drawing. So once you finish the drawing, you can just click on this button to save the result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you on the next one.